are out here. We've got the new All Things JDM tow truck. It is here. Let's go ahead and move this out real quick. But yeah, look at that. This thing is working like a charm. That's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so we've got a tow truck here in America, right-hand drive, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Got a winch. It's got a cantilever system in the middle here, so you can make sure the car's centered. That's pretty nice. Japanese innovations. All right, bro. Daniel, you made me purchase these Hilux Hilux Surfs, and already you say you think this might be the one for you. Oh, it's cloth under here. That's, well, what did we expect, right? Oh, dang. That's cool. Carbon fiber. So you wanted to make sure that it's not an ugly paint job. It doesn't look bad to me. It looks pretty good. Pretty shiny. The roof is faded. That we know. The roof is faded. These wheels are cool. But yeah, it's got the wing. Jamie Blake, he's been buying these freaking things like crazy. It's got some aftermarket lights. That's cool. But yeah, the main focus of this video was to show you that the paint is good everywhere. Want to crank it up for me, please? Nice. Turbo diesel. Turbo diesel. Intercooled. Timing belt's been changed. Cool. Give me a couple revs. Whoa. 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 Cool. Cool. This one checks out. We'll do the other videos on these just because we're here at the same time. Cool.